Welcome to today's Articulate Storyline Update video. Today, Tuesday, July 21st, 2026, Articulate released version 3.122.37508.0, following its normal bi-weekly release schedule. This update includes 6 enhancements and 1 bug fix. This release is worth paying attention to. Several of the enhancements represent a meaningful step forward in how AI chat integrates into your day-to-day workflow in Storyline. The first 2 enhancements are directly related. If you've been using the experimental AI chat features introduced 2 weeks ago, you'll recognize these. They've been promoted from experimental to standard features. The first allows you to navigate large projects faster by jumping to a specific scene or slide using a simple chat request. The second lets you organize your project structure directly through AI chat, adding, renaming, reordering, and deleting scenes and slides without manually dragging things around in Story View. The third enhancement provides clearer visual guidance when AI chat can't perform a requested action. Rather than leaving you with a vague response, AI chat will now show you exactly where in Storyline to complete the task manually. The fourth enhancement updates the default slide size for new projects. The new default is 16 by 9 HD at 1920 by 1080, reflecting modern display standards. A new 9 by 16 preset at 1080 by 1920 has also been added for mobile projects, a welcome addition for anyone building content designed for phones. The fifth enhancement simplifies AI image generation by removing the legacy image model toggle. There's no longer a choice between models. Storyline now uses the latest AI image generation model automatically, ensuring you're always getting the best results without having to think about it. The sixth enhancement redesigns the Publish Successful window with a cleaner layout and a new Share dropdown, making it easier to distribute your published content without extra steps. Now for the single fix. Storyline was incorrectly replacing pentagons with rectangles in block arrows imported from PowerPoint. That has been corrected. If you've been following these update videos, you've noticed that up until now, I've focused exclusively on what's new, what's been enhanced, and what's been fixed in each release. Starting with today's video, we're going to add one more section to our updates, a look at what Articulate currently has available for testing in labs. We've touched on labs in previous videos, but haven't made it a regular part of the update discussion. Given how actively Articulate is using labs to develop new features, it makes sense to keep you informed on what's there and how it's evolving from update to update. Just keep in mind the disclaimer. Everything in labs is experimental. These features are still being built and tested. They will almost certainly change before they become permanent, and some of them may never make it into a final release at all. Articulate is using labs to gather feedback from real developers, so your experience with these features today is part of how they get shaped for tomorrow. With that said, here's what's currently available in labs. The first is the color contrast check, which we've discussed in previous update videos. This feature scans your entire project for color contrast issues and surfaces them directly in the accessibility checker, so you don't have to leave Storyline to verify contrast ratios. The second is AI avatars, and this one is worth keeping an eye on. AI avatars are AI-generated avatar videos that narrate your course content, designed to drive learner engagement through conversational, on-screen presenters without requiring you to record video yourself. If this makes it to full release, it has the potential to significantly change how developers approach on-screen narration. The third is find and replace fonts. If you've ever spent 45 minutes hunting down every instance of a specific font across a large project and swapping them out one by one, you'll understand immediately why this one is exciting. This feature lets you find all instances of a font across your entire project and replace them all at once, or individually if you need that level of control. If this update helped you understand what changed in Articulate's Storyline, the video on the screen walks through this week's earlier Storyline update, where we break down additional enhancements, fixes, and new features you'll want to be aware of. Go ahead and select it to keep going. And if you want practical Storyline tutorials that help you keep up with new features, updates, and workflow changes, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.